Hello students, good evening. Welcome to Siri PathaShale. In today's class, we shall discuss the new chapter, that is chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progressions. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು. So first let us learn what is arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progression ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Let me explain this with an example. The statement gives you that an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Now let me explain this with the help of an example. Example jote hodre nimge statement clear agi artha agutte. Now you are very familiar with number system. You know natural numbers, whole numbers, and in that set we know about the even numbers, a set of odd numbers, prime numbers. So we have learnt many kinds of numbers. Okay, let me explain with the help of those number system. Let us take even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 will be continued. In this set, see first number is 2. 2 plus how much we get 4? We get 2 plus 2, we get 4. Then 4 plus 2, what do we get? 6. 6 plus 2, we get 8. 8 plus 2, we get 10. 10 plus 2, we get 12. So this will be continued. Okay. So what is the difference? 4 minus 2, how much? It is 2. 6 minus 4, how much? We get 2. 8 minus 6, it is 2. 10 minus 8, it is 2. So if you subtract next term, that is 12 minus 10, we get 2. So what is the difference? Difference between each two consecutive numbers is equal to 2 in this set, in this series of numbers. Let me explain with one more example. Let us take the some bigger numbers, okay, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, etc. It will be continued. No. Yes, here. See, 100 plus 100. How high is 200? Plus 100, it is 300. 300 plus 400, it is 300 plus 100. Welcome back to Siri PathaShale. Sorry for disturbing. In between it has been disconnected. So again I am starting now. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. I was explaining with the help of these examples. Okay, let me explain this example once again in brief. Okay, so here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this, yes, common difference. If you subtract 4 minus 2, we get 2. Here 6 minus 4, it is 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. So each time we get a common difference 2. In the second example, yes, 10, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, etc. etc. It will be continued. Now, if I find the difference between the consecutive numbers or consecutive terms, we get 200 minus 100. What is the difference? 100. Here 300 minus 200, it is 100. Again 400 minus 300, difference is 100. 500 minus 400, difference is 100. Now let me take one more set of numbers. It is in decreasing order. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, etc. etc. It will be continued. Now, again you find the difference. 90 minus 100. What do we get? Minus 10. 80 minus 90. What do we get? We get minus 10. 70 minus 80. Minus 10. 60 minus 70. Minus 10. 50 minus 60. Again we get minus 10. So it will be continued like this only. Okay. So what do you find in all these things? Okay, when you find the difference between two consecutive numbers, any two consecutive numbers, 200 minus 100 or 300 minus 200, 400 minus 300 like that. Here also, in between any two consecutive numbers, the difference is same. So we call this as common difference. So the set of numbers in which common difference is equal, okay, remains unchanged, okay, is called an arithmetic progression. Okay, so how do we get an arithmetic progression? It is obtained by what? Adding a fixed number. Which is the fixed number here? 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So fixed number is 2. That is common difference. Here 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 100. Okay, that is 100, 300. 300 plus 100, 400. Similarly here, okay, 100 plus of minus 10. Here you may ask, we have negative number. How can we add? Yes, we can add, because what do we get now? 100 minus of minus 10. What do we get? 100. 100 minus of minus. By adding, what do we get? Which number? Minus 10. 100 plus minus 10. What do we get here? 100 minus 10. It is equal to how much? 90. Now 90 by adding minus 10 plus minus 10. What do we get? 90 minus 10 is 80. Similarly, 80 plus minus 10. What do we get? 70. 70 plus minus 10. What do we get? It is 60. Okay, it will be continued. So here also we got this series of numbers or the set of numbers by adding a fixed term. Which is the fixed term? Minus 10. In each case here, fixed term is minus 10. Okay, so whether it is in the number of set of numbers are in decreasing order or in increasing order. Yes, what do we get? We get a set of numbers here. We get the series by what? By adding the adding a fixed number. Whether the set of numbers are in decreasing order or in increasing order, we get the next number by adding a fixed number. Okay. So this type of numbers, okay, set of numbers, okay, or this type of series of numbers are called what? Arithmetic progressions. Here each of the set is an arithmetic progression. I hope you all understood the definition of arithmetic progression. So, how can we define an arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Okay, except the first term. So here this is first term. We are not here. This is obtained with the first term. Okay, as it is. Next numbers are obtained by what? Adding a fixed numbers. Here 100 is first term. Here also 100 is first term. Okay, except for the first term, then other numbers are obtained by adding a fixed number. Now, the number which is added each time, the fixed number is called, what do we call? Common difference. Common difference. The number fixed number which is added each time is called as common difference. Now, each of the number in the series is called a term, okay, a term of the arithmetic progression. Here 2 is a term, 4 is a term, 6 is a term. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term, like that. Okay. Here also 100 first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, like that. Okay. So each of the number in this series, okay, is called a term. So we have got we have understood three concepts here. First one is arithmetic progression, the definition. Second thing, yes, what is common difference? That is the fixed number to be added each time. Then that is third one is a term. Each of the number in the given set of numbers or in the given series is called as a term. And now here the first number is called as first term and it is denoted by a symbol A. Okay. So here in the first set A is equal to 2. In the second set A is equal to 100. In the third set A is equal to 100. Okay. So first term is denoted by the symbol A. Okay. Then common difference. What is common difference in this first example? 2. So common difference is denoted by a symbol D. Difference symbol D. So D is equal to 2. In the second example, what is D? 100 is added each time. Or yes, when you subtract two consecutive numbers, we get the difference 100. So D is equal to 100 in the second example. In the third example, what is common difference? Minus 10. Okay, so minus 10 is added each time. Or if you find the difference between any two consecutive numbers, we get the difference minus 10. So what is the common difference? Is minus 10. I will give you one more set of numbers now. In this set, if I get one more set, suppose your terms are 10, 10, 10, each time we get 10, etc., etc., etc. What is the difference? 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. Here also 10 minus 10, 0, 0. So it will be continued. So what is A? First term is 10. A. 10 is equal to 10. So difference, what is common difference? 0. Okay, so D is equal to 0 in this set. So a common difference can be either positive or negative or it can be 0 also. In the first two cases we got a positive common difference. In the third case we got negative. Common difference is negative. In the third case, here common difference is 0. Okay, so common difference can be positive, negative or 0. Okay, these are about an arithmetic progressions. Now let us learn more about arithmetic progression. How to obtain an arithmetic progression. Okay, when the first term and the common difference is given, how to obtain an arithmetic progression or how to get a series of numbers. Okay. And let us also learn how to write a general form of an arithmetic progression. I will take the same example or I can take the set of odd numbers. I am taking these examples because these are simple. You can understand it easily. Okay. So let me take the odd numbers first. 10 odd numbers or first 5 odd numbers I will take. First 5 odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 5. Okay, so these are first 5 odd numbers. Now what is A? First term is A. A is equal to 1. And what is common difference? 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. It is 9. 9 minus 7, 2. Okay, so each time difference is, common difference is 2 or 2 is added, that is a fixed number. So D is equal to 2. Okay, now yes, how did you get first number? First number as it is 1. Second number is obtained by 1 plus 2. Okay, so third number is added 1 plus 2 plus 2, isn't it? Okay. Third number, fourth number is obtained, fourth term is obtained by 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And then last fifth number is obtained by 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Isn't it? So first number, second term a plus what is this 2? It is d. A plus d. Now third term 1, that is a plus 2 plus 2. How many 2's are added? 2 times. Okay. So it is what? 2 times d. 2 times d. So 2 into 2, what do we get? 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Third term 1. 1 is, that is a plus how many d's are added? 3 d's are added. So 3 times dA plus 3d. Next a plus how many d's are here? Okay, 4 times, that is 4d. Now this is first term, this is second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Now find the pattern between them. First term, yes, a itself. Second term, a plus d. One time d is added. One time. Okay, do you remember? One time d or one d. Third term, okay, 2 d's are added. Okay, 2 times d. Okay, so this is third term, or a3. This is a2. Okay. So to get a3, a plus 2 d's are added. Here, it is for a4. Okay, a plus 3 d's are added. One less. You can observe here, isn't it? Each time one less. Okay. So here 4, it is 3d. For fifth, that is a5. What do we get? 4 times d is added. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4. Here 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so this is nothing here. So it is a1. Or a1, or just we say a. Okay, first term a1 is called as a only here. So if you want n number of terms, okay, for example, if you want 10 terms, okay, how do you write? That would be how much? A plus 10 minus 1, it is 9d, it would be. If you want 25 terms, it would be, yes, right? You are right, it is 24. Okay, 25 minus 1, 24d it would be. Similarly, if you want to get n number of terms, okay, n can be any number, okay, n can be 1000, n can be 100, n can be 225, any. Okay, so if you want to add n, okay, want to get n number of terms in an arithmetic progression or in a number of series, okay, a, the first term, and yes, 1 less means how much here? N minus 1 times d. This is general form of the last term of an AP. Okay. So first, this series is general form of an AP. A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. Okay. So, dash dash dash. At the end, yes, what do we get? A plus n minus 1 into d, or a plus n minus of d. Okay. And this is also known as last term of an AP. Okay. And denoted by the symbol an, that is nth term. Okay. Nth term of an AP. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. And this is also denoted by the symbol. In some textbook you get here Tn. Tn is nothing but what? An. And it is also known as last term, that is L. Okay? Tn, An, L, whatever it could be the symbol. Okay, formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general form of last term of an AP. Yes, I hope all of you understood this, isn't it? Okay, so do remember this very important formula, okay, to find the last term of an AP. If it is asked to find the first term is given. For example, this only, I'll tell you now how to find. I want 10th term of this, first 10 odd natural number. I want to find 10th term. What is A? A is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 plus n minus 1 is what? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 into 9. 9, that is 9, 9d. So what is the difference between each term number? 9 2s are how much? 18. 18 plus 1, 19. This is 10th odd natural number. Okay, this is 10th number, 10th odd natural number. Or if you want to find 25th term, okay, 25th term of this series, that means I want to get 25th odd natural number. Okay, so A is equal to 1. 25 minus 1, what do you get? 24. That is 1 plus 24D. 1 plus. In odd natural numbers, what is the difference? Common difference is 2. So 1 into 24 into 2, what do we get? 24 2s are 48 plus 1, 49. This is 25th odd natural number. Okay, 49 is 25th odd natural number. So this is how we can get the last term of an AP. I hope all of you understood. I spoke it with simple English. Yes, all of you can understand it easily. Okay. So last term find out madake, or nth term find out madake. We are using this formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is first number, that is first term, and n is nth. Which ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು, that is the value of n, and d is common difference, that is ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So d is equal to what? ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. So in arithmetic progression ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ, yes, you know the meaning ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ, okay, ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್, okay, consecutive numbers means one next immediate next number, okay, ಅವೆರಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ you will get the value same, okay, every time. 5 minus 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, 7 minus 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು same value, 9 minus 7 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 2. So that is called common difference or ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. So in arithmetic progression ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಸಮವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ nth ಟರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ it can be any 20. If suppose we have 50 numbers here in a set of numbers, okay, 50 in the series, if you have 50 numbers, 50 numbers idre adralli same formula can be used to find what? 25th term, 30th term use ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು, 40th term we can find, or if it is for last term, is which one? 50th term. Okay, for that also we can use the same formula. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is important formula. An is also denoted as tn, okay, that or l, okay, if it is last term, okay, if it is last term then it is l, otherwise yes, an or tn. nth term anta ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ n ನೇ ಪದ, okay, nth term ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ we are using an or tn. So now let us go with another formula in this chapter, but also very important. Suppose we want to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers 1 to 10. Okay, in 1 to 10 what is the common difference? You can find it easily. I'll take the even numbers. Okay, we want to find for the sum of first 20 even natural number. So it start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. till 20th number. Okay, we want to find first 20. Okay, sum of first 20 natural numbers. If you want to find sum, what do you do? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 4 plus 14 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. So 20 ತನಕ ಬರ್ದು will add, isn't it? So instead of doing that, we can use the formula to find, because this set of numbers form an arithmetic progression, isn't it? Yeah, because common difference is equal, same. Okay, 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. So a is equal to first term we have 2 and d is equal to how much? 2. Common difference is 2. So instead of adding all these numbers and to find the sum, we have a formula. How to frame the formula? Let me explain now. Now I will explain by taking only 5 numbers. Okay, so I'll take first. I want to find the sum of first 5 even numbers. Okay, sum of first 5 even numbers. So it is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. How much? It is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 8 10 30. Okay, this is the sum. Okay, now let us find this in another way. Okay, so that is first term is 2. Okay, that is the formula. We have a formula that is n by 2. That is Sn. We call this. Okay, we denote the sum of n terms. So here n is 5 terms. That is n by 2 into is 2a plus n 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so let us use the formula. Let us check now. So what is n here? How many numbers do we have? Okay, 5 numbers. Okay, so n value is 5. Okay, so 5 by 2 into 2 into a. What is the value of a? It is 2. 2 2s are 4 plus n minus 1. N minus 1, how many numbers we have asked here? 5 numbers. So 5 minus 1, it is into d. What is the common difference? It is 2. Okay, so 5 by 2 into is 2 2s are 4 plus 4 plus 5 minus 1 4. 4 2s are 8. So 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 1s are 2 6 are 6 5s are how much? 30. You may ask me, what is the use of using the formula? It's easier find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸಮ್ಮನ್ನ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಏನು? ಎಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 5 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದೆಮ್. ಬಟ್ when some situations is given, situation ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಆರ್ sometimes yes, if with a large set of numbers, suppose you want to find the sum of first 100 odd natural numbers or first 100 even natural numbers, or you want to find the number would be need not be the same even numbers, odd numbers, we can write a set like this 2. Yes, check this now. Check this set of number 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Can you find any common difference here? Yes, 5 minus 2 how much? 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 11 minus 8, 3. 14 minus 11, it is 3. Okay, so all these are in the set of numbers is forming an AP. Correct now? Here also when we give only 4 numbers, 5 numbers, it is easy to find the sum. If I ask you to find nth term, I mean 100th term, okay, or find the sum of 100 terms of this AP, or find the sum of 250 terms of this AP. Okay, this type of numbers can be given. Where AP ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. And then yes, if you are asked to find the sum of those numbers, then is it possible to write them by add all the numbers and find the sum? No, it is tedious work, isn't it? Hectic actually. ಅಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, it is and waste of time also. So instead of that, what can be done? We can use this formula. That formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. N by 2 is multiplied for whole this bracket. Okay, so first we need to solve the bracket, then we multiply with the n by 2. So, and same formula can be written in another way also if the last term is known. If a problem alli, yes, in this AP, last term is known. How much? It is 14. Okay, let us find this sum using this formula now. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so that is Sn, that is how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So S5. Okay, sum of 5 terms is equal to 5 by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 2 first term. What is the difference? plus n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 into d. What is the difference? Difference is 3. Simplify the bracket. So 5 by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into 3. So 5 by 2 into 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 5s are 40. Let us check the answer. 2 plus 5. Okay, plus 8 plus 11 plus 14. 7 plus 8 15. 16, 26, 30, 40. Yes, we got correct answer. Now, last term is known. Okay, that L is known here. Okay, our nth term is AN is known in this series. Okay, this is nothing but what? 40 L is 14, or this is also known as AN, denoted by AN, that is 14. Then how to find the sum? That is Sn is equal to, let us derive the same formula in another way. If I write this now, n by 2 into, if I write a, 2a as a plus n minus 1 into d. In this, what is this a plus a? A plus n minus 1 into d, what do we call? It is nothing but an, isn't it? Okay, so can we write the same formula as n by 2 into a plus l or a plus an? Yes, it is right. So let us use this now. Here, that is Sn is equal to, that is S5 is equal to fifth term is known. So what do we write now? 5 by 2 into a plus, what is the last term? Last term is 40. So a value how much? A value is 2. So 5 by 2 into 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 5s are 40. Easily we can obtain the sum. So another formula to find sum of the nth term is, that is n by 2 into a plus l. So now you have learnt 3 formulae. The first one is to find an, that is nth term of an arithmetic progression. What is the formula? Please note down. That is nth term, that is an is equal to, or L is equal to, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the first formula. And our series would be, generally what can we write here? And what can we write? A plus d, a plus 2d, plus a plus and a plus 3d, etc. Okay, last term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, yes, another formula you have learned, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms, it is nothing but Sn. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or is same formula, one more formula to find Sn if last term is known. Okay, so that is, or nth term is known. If nth term is known, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or you can write n by 2 into a plus l, because an is nothing but l. Okay, nth term, the last term. If L is known, suppose the set is a finite set. Okay, if the arithmetic progression is a finite set of numbers or finite series of numbers, okay, then yes, nth term will be known in that case. Okay, so this would be the formula. Okay, if the final set is, if the number of numbers in the series are continued, that means we get dots like that, etc., etc. Then we call that set as infinite set or infinite arithmetic progression. Okay, so these are about the concept. Now let us go with the problems in the exercise. Please note down all these things. Okay, students. Now let us go with the exercise problem. Exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. In exercise 5.1, first main is, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Okay, these are the daily life situations. Actually, each and every concept in mathematics is used in our daily life. But many times we will not aware of that. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೇನೆ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. So here some situations are given. We have to find whether these situations are related to arithmetic progression or not. Okay, so let us check now. First one, it is exercise number 5.1. First one, first one. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Taxi fare, auto fare, common examples. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂತಿಷ್ಟ ಫೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂತಿಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for fixed first kilometer. What is that first kilometer? 15. It is nothing but first term. Okay, we don't know whether they are in AP or not. AP ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ. So but let us find now. Okay, what is first term? That is A is equal to 15 rupees 15 for fixed how much? 1 kilometer. First 1 kilometer. Then rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 kilometer increase ಆದಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? 8 rupees increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So 15 rupees fixed. ನೀವು ಹಾಫ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ you have to pay 15 rupees. Okay, so first number 15 ಆದರೆ second after 1 kilometer, next 1 kilometer ಅಥವಾ second kilometer completed. Okay, 2 kilometers complete ಆದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? 15 plus 8 rupees added. Then again, then 15 plus 18, how much we get? 23. Okay, next again 15 plus 8, how much here? 23. 23 plus 8. Okay, 23 plus 8, that when you complete 3 kilometer, if 3 kilometer ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to pay 23 plus 8, how much? It is 31 rupee. Okay, next 4, suppose you completed 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 kilometers ದಾಟ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ even if you travel 3.5 kilometer 3 ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾಲು whatever, okay, 500 meters something. So ಎಷ್ಟೀಗ 31 plus 8 rupees, again 8 kilometer 8 rupees added. How much we get? 31 plus 8, 39 rupees we need to pay. Next, if you continue traveling, okay, 5 kilometers completed. How much now? 39 plus 8. How much it is? 47 rupees should be given. Okay, so what is the? You understood. This is in the this is forming an AP. Okay, because what is the common difference? 8 rupee. 23 minus 5, 8. Okay, 31 minus 23, 8. 39 minus 31, 8. So in additional whatever we are paying per kilometer, that is nothing but what? Common difference. Okay, therefore this is forming an AP. This set of numbers form an AP. Okay, so this series of numbers form an AP. So what is our conclusion? We should write yes. Okay, this series of numbers form an AP. What is that AP? Write this now. That is yes. Answer is yes. And AP is 15, 23, 31, 39, 40. P7, etc., etc. if you continue traveling. Okay, now, second one. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes. Okay, suppose cylinder some air ide. So to remove that we are using vacuum pump each time. Okay, it removes 1/4. That is 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at that time. Okay, let me explain this with the help of a number. Okay, then you can understand it easily. Okay. Let us consider initial volume of the cylinder as, first make, second one this one. Initial volume of the cylinder as, let us take 16 liter. Okay, beginning alli 16 liter irutte ankolona. 16 liter. 1/4 of 16 how much? Okay, 1/4 of 16 is 1/4 of 16 is how much? 4 4s are. Okay, so 4 liter. So out of 16 liter, 4 liter has been removed. So 16 literally 4 liter tegidre, how much remains? You get 12 liter. Now second time. Okay, second time in this now. So 16 is first one. A is equal to 16. So first term is 16. Then second term time now. So 12 liter remained. Okay, out of this 12 liter again 1/4 part is removed. Okay, so 12 liter, 1/4 of 12 liter how much? It is 4 1s are 4 3s are. So 3 liter has been removed. Okay, ಈಗ 3 liter ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದಿರೋದು? It is removed out of 12 liter. Okay, so what is the difference? 12 liter minus 3 liter. What is the remaining now? 12 minus 3, 9 liter. Okay, so 9 liter is remained. Okay, so 16 liter. Okay, first it was 16 liter. After removing 4 liter, we get 12 liter. Okay, now again out of 12 liter, 3 liters removed. So we get 9 liter. Okay, next again out of this 9 liter, 1/4 part is removed. 1/4 of 9. So 1/4 of 9, what do we get? It is 9/4 or it is equal to 9/4. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9/4? It is 2 1/4 2.25 liter. Okay, 2.25 liter or 9/4 liter has been removed. Out of ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ? 9 liter ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so 9 liter minus 2 1/4 liter or 9/4 liter. How much we get? 6 3/4 6 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So or even if you take the LCM of 4 9 and 9/4, take the LCM of the denominator, we get the same answer. It is, we get 6 3/4 liter. Okay, so this is remaining. Okay, so remaining. So out of 9 liter 2 1/4 liter tegidre, so 6 3/4 is remaining. So how much it is? 9/4 or 6 3/4 liter is remaining. So now you can easily find out, are these numbers from an AP? No. 12 minus 16 how much? We get -4. 9 minus 12 how much? -3. Okay, then 9/4 minus 9, what do we get? We get another number. Okay, so we don't get a common difference. So what do you say? These numbers are not forming an AP or arithmetic progression. So initially, if the volume is V, second time we get how much here? If 1/4 is here removed, 3/4 of V we get, that is 3/4 V. Again from 3/4 V minus 1/4, 3/4 V of 1/4 or 1/4 into 3/4. Okay, whatever we get some number, that is 1/4 into 3/4 L or V. What do we get now? It is 3/16 V. Okay, then this has to be removed from this now. 3 by 4v minus 3 by 16v. What do we get? 4 is LCM. 16 is LCM. 4 4s are, the 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 3 how much? 12 minus 3, 9. Okay, 9 by 16v. Okay, it will be continued. So what is the answer here? 9 by 16v. Okay, so it will be 3 by 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. It will be of the form, it is of the form v, that is 3 by 4 v. Similarly, next will be 3 by 4 square v. It will be continued like this in an exponential way. Okay, so this is not forming an AP. Conclusion is no. No, it is not forming an AP. It is not forming an AP. Now let us go with third problem in the first main. So whenever you do not understand some question, first you take some numbers. Idar terms alla kottaga nimge easy ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ some symbolic ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ terms ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, then you assume some number. ಏನೋ number substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು try with that number, with that condition. Okay, then you will get to know whether it is forming an AP or not. Okay, next problem now, third one. Third one, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Okay, you can easily make out 150 for how much? For first meter. ನೆಲ ಅಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. First 1 meter ಆಗಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು, how much we have to pay for the workers? 150 rupees. So for first 1 meter, 150 rupees. What is that? First term. It is 150 rupees. Then for the subsequent meters, one meter increase adange we need to pay how much? 50 rupees for each meter. 1 meter, 1 meter. Suppose second meter, 2 meters aitappa. Avage 150 plus 50 we need to pay. Okay, so second term. Okay, so second term is how much? 150 plus 50 rupees. It is rupees 200. Next again, if they dig 1 more meter, that is A3. Okay, eshtagutte ಈಗ 150 plus 50, that is 200. So 200 plus 50 rupees added now again. How much? Rupees 250. Next, for the next again 1 more meter. Innond meter agidre. So fourth time it is. So how much it is? 250 already we got. So 250 plus 50 rupees extra. How much it is? Rupees 300. So 150, 200, 250, 300. Yes, these numbers are forming an AP, isn't it? So we get A1 or A is AP is 150, 200, 250, 300, etc. It will be continued. What is the common difference? 50 rupees. So A first term is 150 and common difference how much? That A is 150 and common difference is 50 or 50 rupees. So this is forming an AP. Okay, now let us go with last problem in the first main and let us end the session after this problem. That is the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Okay, so read the question carefully. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. First time deposit ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ 10,000 rupees and it is increasing by taking compound interest. Okay, you know the difference between simple interest and compound interest. See, simple interest increases uniformly every time. Suppose you 10,000 tagondre 10% simple interest andre every time how much we need to pay for 10,000, how much? It is 1,000 rupees extra. Okay, so each time. But if it is compound interest, it is not like that. It multiples. Okay, for example, for that we have a formula. Okay, just you know about this. In simple interest, anything whether it is increases or decreases, it will be in a uniform way or fixed value. Okay, but in case of compound interest, it multiples. Okay, multiples. Therefore, in compound interest, it is not possible to have a fixed number as the difference, and it is not forming an AP. Or even if you know the formula, you will come to know. Now, formula to find amount using compound interest is, it is P plus 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. We have a formula. If you use the formula, and your P is nothing but 10,000 in this problem, and n for how many years, this is rate of interest. If everything is given, you can use the formula and find out. But here just come to know, it is enough. In compound interest, it is not possible to have a fixed value. Okay, so it is not forming an AP. Only in simple interest idre andre sarala ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ನಮಗೆ ಸರಳ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ an AP or arithmetic progression. So I hope you're all clear with this concept of arithmetic progression or AP. So in this today's class, we have learned what is AP, what are the terms of AP, how to find, what is the formula to find nth term, and what is the formula to find sum of the numbers of AP. Okay, all these things you have learned. Please practice them. Okay, so let us end today's session. Thank you and bye bye.